It's January the 12th, 2024, live here from Gaza. We're going now to do the early morning prayers in the mosque here. Alhamdulillah. You can hear the sound of the buzzing drones. I think in the beginning of the video you also heard the strikes, the airstrikes a few meters away from us here. All night long you can hear the engines of the tanks roaring a couple of 100 meters beside us here, but alhamdulillah, we keep going. Nothing is gonna stop us. We all heard the news about what has happened in Yemen a couple of hours ago. May God bring down peace and tranquility to the people of Yemen. Big shout out to our brothers and sisters in South Africa and the free world. We all saw what they did today at the International Court of Justice. We continue here working on our different social initiative campaigns, trying to help the displaced civilians together with your support. Inshallah, we continue. Inshallah, 2024 will be the beginning of the end of Zionism and the evil all around the world that has been ruining our politics, our economics, our finances, our social lives. Together we are winning. Take care. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you.